Defense. In case you are still wondering where to be in the next JAM class, or you are planning to send your word to the best JAM class in town, Dream Dreams Tutorial Center is the best class to be. Our WhatsApp or the number to call to get in contact with us is on the screen shown above. Or you are not satisfied with the online teaching, you want to come physically. Our physical presence is in 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. So we want to continue with our JAM class on taxonomy, classification of living things. And we want to start with this question: which of the following is not a characteristic of monocot plant? When we talk about monocots are plant with one seed leaf. Example is maize and grass. And the other one is dicotyledonous plant, 2 seed leaves. Example are mango, cowpea, groundnut, orange, 2 seed leaves. 2, mono 1. So let's look at their characteristics. How JAM said their question on monocotyledon and dicotyledon. He said, which of the following is not a characteristic of monocot plants? Let's start from the option E. Perianth is usually insignificant. When we talk about perianth, we are talking about the sepals and the petals in flowering plants, and they look alike. You can't differentiate them. So they are saying that perianth is usually insignificant. This is true. This is true. We are looking for not true, not a characteristic. So parents look alike, but in this case the parent is usually insignificant. It's significant because they look alike. Look at floral plants arranged in trees. That is true for monocot plants. Scattered vascular bundles. That is true for monocotyledonous plant, maize and grasses. Parallel venation. When we talk about parallel venation, we talk about, for example, maize and grasses, they have parallel venation. On dicotyledonous, we have what we call net venation. We have, this is also true, this is true, this is true, and the last one, which is occurrence of secondary thickening. Occurrence of secondary thickening is found in dicotyledonous plants. So this makes the option not a characteristic of monocot plant to be option A. Let's go to the second question. He said mosses, liverwort and ferns can be grouped together because when we talk about mosses and liverwort, we are talking about bryophyta. And bryophyta are non-vascular plants. When we talk about ferns, ferns are grouped under pteridophyta, under taxonomy or classification of living things. So ferns is pteridophyta. Let's see the option, because they are mosses, liverwort and ferns can be grouped together because we have number 1, they are all aquatic plants. They may be aquatic, they are terrestrial, or they may have, they may survive under moist environment. We also have, they all grow in desert. This is not true. They are seedless plants. This is true. They are seedless plants. All mosses and liverworts are seedless vascular plants. Seedless vascular plants, and they have undifferentiated plant bodies. When we talk about undifferentiated plant bodies, this is only true for mosses and liverworts, and it's not true for ferns. And we have all produce colorless flower. In fact, mosses, liverwort and ferns are non-flowering plants. So when you say they all produce colorless flower, that is not true about this option. So all produce colorless flower plant, all produce colorless flower is not true. They are all non-flowering plants. So the best option, mosses, liverwort and ferns, can be grouped together because they are seedless vascular plants. So that makes our option C to be right. I hope you have gained something in this video. Don't forget the address once again: 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. Number is displayed on the screen, or you want to contact us and for an online training, our WhatsApp or number is directly on the screen shown below. I'll be expecting your call. Bye for now. You can also meet us on our YouTube channel, Taiwo Odeyebo. See you in my next video. Bye.